Welcome to a world where cooking meets satisfaction. These are the kitchen Amazon gadgets you didn't know you needed, but won't be able to live without. Watch closely, because every slice, pour, and press is oddly satisfying. Say goodbye to sauce-stained pages. This folding book stand keeps your cookbook open and upright. No more juggling spoons and pages. It's compact, easy to store, and perfect for hands-free cooking. A tiny stand making a big difference in your kitchen flow. Onion cutter and saver chop, slice, and store. All in one go. This onion cutter gives perfect pieces without the tears. And when you're done, just snap on the lid and store it right away. No more stinky fridge or messy fingers. Quisipro Egg Poacher. Master poached eggs in minutes. No swirling water required. Just crack an egg, set it in, and watch the magic happen. It floats in boiling water, cradling the egg perfectly. Restaurant-style eggs, with zero stress. Multifunction cutting board. It's not just a board, it's a full-on prep station. With built-in containers, a grater, and even a drainage slot, this board saves space and time like a pro. Chop, slide, store, no extra bowls needed. Collapsible silicone funnel. Filling bottles used to be a mess. Now it's oddly satisfying. This silicone funnel collapses flat and pops open in a snap. Perfect for oils, spices, or even your secret sauce. Store it in a drawer and forget it's even there. Custard mold. Get that perfect wobble every time. These molds turn your homemade custards, flans, or jellies into pro-level desserts. Pop them out easily. No sticking, no tearing. Dessert just got an upgrade. Tupperware vegetable container. Keep your veggies fresh way longer. This smart container controls airflow and moisture to reduce spoilage. Lettuce stays crisp, carrots stay snappy. Say goodbye to the wilted produce guilt trip. Walnut cracker. This oddly satisfying walnut cracker cracks shells clean with zero mess. Just press, pop, and snack, thanks to this genius Amazon gadget. Who knew cracking nuts could be this fun? Whipped cream dispenser. Pump and swirl perfect clouds of whipped cream every time. This oddly satisfying Amazon gadget is a dessert lover's dream. From hot cocoa to pie, it's the final touch done right. Butter sprayer. Melt, load, and spray. This Amazon gadget makes buttering fun again. Oddly satisfying streams of buttery goodness on toast, corn, and more. A must-have for every breakfast lover. Shaved ice machine. Turn any ordinary day into a cool treat party with this shaved ice machine. It's oddly satisfying watching it snow down fresh ice in seconds. One Amazon gadget that brings carnival vibes straight to your kitchen. Pizza spatula. This oversized pizza spatula slides under your slice like a dream. Flipping or serving, it's oddly satisfying every single time. Amazon gadgets like this make pizza nights 10 times better. Manual meatball maker. Perfectly round meatballs every single time. This oddly satisfying Amazon gadget makes cooking feel like playtime. No sticky hands, just delicious uniform bites. Folding cutting board. Chop, fold, and pour without losing a single slice. This folding cutting board is an oddly satisfying kitchen transformer, an Amazon gadget that saves space and spills. Glass rinser. Watch the high-pressure rinse blast your glass clean in a second. Oddly satisfying and super efficient, thanks to this Amazon gadget. No more scrubbing, just press and rinse. Roll out fridge caddy, slide, store, and find everything with ease. This oddly satisfying fridge caddy keeps things ultra-organized. Amazon gadgets like this make fridge diving a thing of the past. Fruit slicer. Watch this Amazon gadget turn a pile of fruit into perfect slices in seconds. It's oddly satisfying to see each piece fall into place like magic. The ultimate kitchen hack for smoothie lovers and snackers alike. Cookie press, gun click, press, and create perfect cookies like a pro. This oddly satisfying Amazon gadget makes baking look effortless. Every design comes out Insta-worthy. Core, presto twist, pull, and core your fruits like a boss. This oddly satisfying Amazon gadget removes cores in one slick move. Perfect for apples, pears, and kitchen show-offs. Slicester strawberry slicer pop in a berry, press, and watch the slices fall like petals. Oddly satisfying and seriously fun to use. This Amazon gadget turns snack prep into art. Cabbage slicer shred cabbage faster than you can say coleslaw. This oddly satisfying Amazon gadget makes prep time vanish. Every cut is clean, quick, and ready for the bowl. Smart Spice Mill. Automatic grinding at a wave of your hand? Magic? Almost. This Smart Spice Mill is an oddly satisfying Amazon gadget. Fresh flavor, high-tech style. Chicken marinade box. Drop it, lock it, and shake it. This Amazon gadget makes marinating oddly satisfying. Flavor soaks in evenly. No mess, no stress. Your BBQ prep just got a serious upgrade. Cherry and olive pitter pop, pit and go. This Amazon gadget removes pits in a single press. Oddly satisfying to watch those cherries fly clean every time. No more sticky fingers or surprise bites. Cream Doster, from elegant cakes to lattes. This Cream Doster adds that perfect swirl. It's oddly satisfying to see it glide with creamy precision. One Amazon gadget, endless dessert magic. Cake cutter slice cake like a pro. Perfect portions every single time. This oddly satisfying Amazon gadget makes serving neat and sweet. Goodbye messy knives. Hello clean cuts. Spiral handy cutter. Turn your veggies into curly twirly ribbons of joy. This Amazon gadget makes spiral cutting oddly satisfying. Zoodles, salads, and garnishes have never looked better. Pickle jar with strainer lift. Drain and grab without dipping your fingers. This oddly satisfying Amazon gadget separates pickles from juice effortlessly. It's a jar and a strainer in one. Pickle lovers, rejoice! Veggie cup cutter pop, press, and create veggie cups in seconds. This Amazon gadget is oddly satisfying and fun to use. Great for dips, stuffing, or just showing off your snack game. Wall-mounted spice and liquid box. Click open, pour, and organize like never before. This oddly satisfying Amazon gadget saves space and stress. Wall-mounted brilliance for your spices and sauces. Bottle emptying, kit every last drop, squeezed, flipped, and poured with ease. This Amazon gadget is oddly satisfying and waste-free. No more shaking bottles or cutting tubes. Folding kitchen scale. Fold it flat, pop it out. Precision meets portability. This oddly satisfying kitchen scale is an Amazon gadget essential. Small, sleek, and shockingly accurate. Garlic Zoom garlic chopper. Zoom across the counter and chop garlic like a toy on a mission. This oddly satisfying Amazon gadget makes garlic prep fast and fun. No more sticky fingers or smelly hands. Portable blender, blend on the go. Shakes, smoothies, and more in seconds. This Amazon gadget is oddly satisfying in motion. Charge, press, and enjoy your power smoothie anywhere. Automatic water dispenser, just tap and flow. Pure hydration with zero lifting. This oddly satisfying Amazon gadget fits right on your bottle. Perfect for busy kitchens and lazy mornings. Garlic mincer. One squeeze and garlic turns into a fine, flavorful paste. This oddly satisfying Amazon gadget is a time-saving beast. No knives, no mess, just garlic magic. Cold drink dispenser. Pull the handle and pour a perfect, bubbly glass. This Amazon gadget is oddly satisfying and seriously cool. Drinks on tap, party ready at any moment. Double-sided frying pan flip without the flop. This Amazon gadget fries both sides perfectly. It's oddly satisfying to seal, flip, and sizzle in one smooth motion. Breakfast just got smarter and way less messy. Knives cleaning. Brush, slide, and scrub. Your blade gets clean in one glide. This oddly satisfying Amazon gadget grips both sides safely. Goodbye sponge juggling. Hello efficient shine. Airtight bottle stopper. Pop it in, twist, and seal your drinks airtight. This Amazon gadget is oddly satisfying with its smooth, snug fit. Keep your fizz and flavor locked in longer. Handheld flour sifter cup. Sift flour like a pro with one hand and zero mess. This oddly satisfying Amazon gadget spins light, fluffy magic. Perfect for bakers who love precision and speed. Pea sheller pop, peas like popcorn, clean, fast, and fun. This Amazon gadget makes peeling oddly satisfying to watch. Say goodbye to sore fingers and hello to snack time speed. Who knew your kitchen could be this fun? If that was oddly satisfying to watch, just wait till you try them yourself. Hit like, subscribe, and turn your kitchen into a gadget wonderland, one Amazon find at a time.